Organizations are striving to simplify their processes. Simplified processes mean efficiency, speed, agility, and this really gives them the competitive advantage. In SDG, we are offering the solution to simplify your processes. And this is combined with process mining techniques. And it gives you the visibility, full transparency into the entire process in order to understand where the complexity comes from. And only then we are able to simplify and take the actions needed. In the SDG solution, we are talking about a full transparency in the data-driven way, mining the entire process, and from then on, process analytics is used in order to understand when, why, where the complexity arises, and from that point, you can then take the actions needed to simplify. We are talking about even a predictive and machine learning algorithms that are also working alongside in the solution in order to make us a little bit more proactive towards simplifying the processes. So in real time, in continuously monitoring the processes, we are able to take actions in advance in order to simplify and then also avoid the complexity before that it even arises. And this is the process mining solution.